Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to use Luminite to mint XRP into FXRP. This is the wallet from the guys at Sparkdex. It's super easy, super simple. You can log in with your Google account. Just if you do, I would recommend that you enable 2FA, and then you also can do it with a passphrase, which is my preferred option instead of Google account. You will receive a XRPL account and an EVM account. So you will need to deposit XRP. Remember, each lot is 10 XRP, and then you need 2 XRP to reserve the collateral in the account. In this case, we're going to go to Bridge. We're going to choose XRPL from and to Flare. And then each lot is 10 XRP. So in this case, I can do 10 lots. It's going to get 100 FXRP. I'm going to press Initiate. And then first, I'm going to send from my XRP account to the agent's account. And then the FDC, which is the Flare data connector, will verify that the transaction happened. And that will enable the agent to mint FXRP. Press confirm. And then we just have to wait. It usually takes around 1 minute for the whole operation to happen. Super easy. There's nothing else to do but wait. And then once the FXRP comes over here, then if you are a new user, there's a few earn options. And then if you're a more advanced user, you can use this FXRP, send it to your Bifrost wallet or your Rabbit wallet, and then it's going to act as any other ERC20 tokens. The beautiful thing about FXRP is that it has the OFT standard from Stargate and Layer 0. That means that you can move it from one account, from one network to another one seamlessly. I have another video talking more into detail about that, but this is very exciting. I hope you enjoy. And like I said, don't ape in. Take the time to learn the dynamics of DeFi. It's very powerful stuff, but it's also a very easy way to lose money. So start small, test the waters. One beautiful thing about Flare is that it's extremely cheap to do 100 transactions. Like with less than $5, you could do 100 transactions and you would still have change. All right, guys, I'm going to wait for the FXRP to arrive. And that's it for today. All right, so that was it, guys. It took less than 2 minutes, and now I have FXRP. And then here, if I go to my dashboard, it shows that I have 100 FXRP. And then here I can send it to any wallet on my Flare account. All right, guys, I hope you liked this video. I'll talk to you